This is a how-to video on building a pergola, specifically the main beams that support the remaining structure. First thing I'm doing is using a cable winch, also called a come-along, to make sure all the posts are plumb. Those are my two daughters in the background. They wanted to earn some extra summer money, so they're back there helping me screw down some deck boards. Now I'm putting up the first main beam, and then get up on the ladder and see how it aligns to the gutter and roof. The horizontal scrap pieces you see are to hold the beam until I get some screws in it. Also, my wonderful wife is giving me a hand. The second beam is going up, and I'm using the level and the come along again to make sure that the post is plumb. I'm using a cheap combination square to lay out the markings for the bolts that will eventually hold the main beams. I'm using a 10-inch long drill bit, but you could go in from both sides if you didn't have such a bit. These are 3/8 by 10-inch long stainless steel bolts. I got them from Bolt Depot. Seems like a great place to get hardware for. Is about half the cost of what I could get them for locally. I picked up the timbers from McCoys Building Supply. They came exactly how I spec'd them out with the length, and I was able to choose how I wanted the ends cut. While I was working on this, there was a manhunt going on by the sheriff's department with a helicopter, a bunch of cop cars, and they were looking for somebody. I'm not sure if they ever found him. Because I know the deck is level, I'm able to go off the bottom of the deck to determine where the post should go. This post was level, so no come along required. I'm using the F-clamp as a safety until I get a bolt installed. Building a pergola is a fairly straightforward project. It doesn't require too many specialized tools. Please check out my previous video on how to install the post. The link is in the upper right hand corner. The next video in this series will be installing the perpendicular beams and then the remaining slats. Here's a sneak preview of the pergola when it's complete. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, comment, and have a great day. Here's a cameo appearance of my two wonderful daughters who are giving their dad a hand on a project that he's a little bit behind on, helping him out and making a little extra summer money. Thanks again for watching.